Welcome to SG Investment. Our channel is dedicated to helping you make informed decisions about your money and to guiding you on your journey towards financial success. Subscribe now and join our community of like-minded individuals on the path to financial freedom. Book Summary: Financial Peace by Dave Ramsey. Financial Peace is a comprehensive guide to managing personal finances written by Dave Ramsey, a well-known financial expert, radio show host, and motivational speaker. The book aims to provide readers with the tools and knowledge needed to take control of their finances and achieve financial stability and freedom. The book starts by emphasizing the importance of having a clear understanding of one's current financial situation. This involves taking stock of one's income, expenses, debts, and assets. Ramsey encourages readers to be honest with themselves and to face their financial situation head-on, no matter how difficult it may be. Once readers have a clear understanding of their current financial situation, the book provides a step-by-step plan for achieving financial stability and freedom. The plan, called the 7 Baby Steps, involves taking specific actions in a particular order to build a solid financial foundation. Financial Peace: 7 Baby Steps from book Financial Peace by Dave Ramsey. 1. The first step is to save a $1,000 emergency fund, which is designed to cover unexpected expenses and emergencies. This fund should be accessible but not too easily accessible, so that you're not tempted to use it for non-emergencies. 2. The second step is to pay off all debts using the debt snowball method, which involves paying off the smallest debts first while continuing to make minimum payments on the larger ones. This approach is designed to build momentum and motivation as you see your debts being paid off one by one. 3. The third step is to save 3 to 6 months of expenses in an emergency fund. This emergency fund is intended to cover more significant unexpected expenses or periods of unemployment. Once you have this fund, you can breathe easier knowing that you have a safety net in case of an emergency. 4. The fourth step is to invest 15% of your household income in retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA. This step is designed to help you prepare for retirement and to take advantage of the power of compound interest. 5. The fifth step is to save for your children's education. This step involves setting aside money for your children's college education or other educational expenses, such as trade school or vocational training. 6. The sixth step is to pay off your home mortgage early, which can save you a significant amount of money in interest payments over the life of the loan. 7. The seventh and final step is to build wealth and give generously. This step involves continuing to save and invest money, building a substantial net worth over time, and giving generously to causes that are important to you. Conclusion. In conclusion, Financial Peace by Dave Ramsey is a comprehensive guide to managing personal finances that provides readers with the tools and knowledge needed to achieve financial stability and freedom. The book emphasizes the importance of creating and sticking to a budget, avoiding debt, and living within one's means. It presents a step-by-step plan for achieving financial security, called the 7 Baby Steps, which involves taking specific actions in a particular order to build a solid financial foundation. Throughout the book, Ramsey provides practical tips and advice on how to cut expenses, increase income, and build wealth over time. Overall, Financial Peace is an excellent resource for anyone looking to take control of their finances and achieve long-term financial security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.